फैशन एक ऐसी भाषा है जो वास्तविकता की व्याख्या करने के लिए खुद को कपड़ों में ढाल लेती है। इसी कड़ी में नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में 3 दिवसीय चलने वाले 8वां ग्लोबल फैशन एंड डिज़ाइन वीक के आखिरी दिन के दूसरे सत्र का भव्य आयोजन किया गया। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। इस दौरान यहाँ डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI, मीनू महाजन, हेमंत सूद, पूजा दुआ, ऋषु आनंद, प्रोफेसर बाबू, हरीश त्रिपाठी अपनी उपस्थिति से कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। फैशन शो में कई तरह के कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइन पेश किए गए। साथ ही रसिया, ब्राज़ील, अफगानिस्तान, साइप्रस आदि देशों की खूबसूरती को फैशन शो में दिखाया गया। बता दें कि मॉडल्स ने रैंप पर अपनी खूबसूरती और टैलेंट का जलवा बिखेरा और सबका ध्यान आकर्षित कर लिया। कार्यक्रम में मौजूदा अतिथिगण द्वारा कॉफ़ी टेबल बुक लॉन्च किया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI, ने सभी लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा किया और कहा, फैशन व्यक्ति के जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है क्योंकि यह आपके अंतर्मन को व्यक्त करता है और फैशन ने वास्तव में कई देशों का चेहरा बदल दिया है। वहां मौजूदा अतिथिगण ने स्टूडेंट्स और संदीप मारवा द्वारा किए गए कामों की जमकर तारीफ की। कार्यक्रम के दूसरे हॉल में AEFT स्कूल ऑफ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन के स्टूडेंट द्वारा फर्नीचर एग्जीबिशन लगाया गया, जिसमें इजिप्ट, नाइजीरिया, पेरू, इटली आदि देशों से प्रेरणा लेकर खूबसूरत प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई।
Been a wonderful day here today. It's my first time ever, and of all the institutes we've ever been to, and we've been in the trade for more than 2 decades now. The way the craft is celebrated here is absolutely amazing. What we got to see here is that when we design spaces and when we design products, beautiful is only form, and genius is functionality. And that's what has been noticed here, that all the fashion product line or the furniture that we see here are not only practical, usable, but yet have a class to itself. So I would like to congratulate the faculty and teachers, and especially the management, for doing such a wonderful job. You guys are grooming them very well for a global platform, and I'm sure these guys have a fabulous future ahead.
It has been an absolute pleasure to witness what I've just witnessed. I've been in the US for the last 15 years, been a part of many New York Fashion Week shows, as well as I'm a resident of Miami. But what I've seen here in this beautiful campus has been absolutely stunning. And I'm not just saying empty words here. The attention to detail is what is absolutely awe-inspiring. So not just the clothing and the form factor, but just the amount of detail to the accessories, to essentially even the stilettos that some of the models are wearing, the way that they were carrying it is absolutely phenomenal. And people might be observing from industries not coming from fashion, but that now that I've spent a little bit of time in the industry, I really see the amount of hard work and the effort that has gone into every single detail. So this is not about just being fantastic in the moment, but this is something which is absolutely global. So it's been an absolute pleasure, and kudos to all the hard work that's gone in with the models, the production team, and of course all the faculty and staff here. Needless to say, kudos to Mr. Marwa. Thank you.
I'm Shreya Shekhar, founder of the brand Wabi Sabi Style. You have must seen my brand on Instagram. It's really bombing right now on Instagram. So coming to the part, but I have enjoyed this show at AAFT. The designers were very, very talented. I really enjoyed the show, and I would like to hire most of them in my company for later opportunities.
Third and the final day of 8th Global Fashion and Design Week, and I'm very excited because the first show has gone extremely well. People are not only just liking it, but they are wooing it, this show. And many beautiful response I've been getting from people who are been a part of Delhi NCR, as well as from other parts of the country and other countries itself. They are comparing these kind of shows to all the international shows which they have been actually watching at Milan Fashion Week, or a Rome Fashion Week, or a New York Fashion Week, or maybe a London Fashion Week. And I'm very happy that this time the standard of the fashion show is at par with any other international show. The best part is that we've been inviting almost 3,000 people in one particular show, and at the end of the day, we will be touching a footfall of almost 27,000 people, which is making this show as one of the biggest and one of the marvelous shows